Hello YouTube family, how are you? Happy new month. This is Zesta Herbal Soap Skincare and Lifestyle. With the cost of oil, scarcity of oil, and the availability of different sources of oil, I've been asked how you could be able to make use of vegetable oil to make soap, because for some people this is the kind of oils they have readily available within their vicinity. So this is a simple video on how you'll be able to use your vegetable oil or your cooking oil to make a strong bar of soap that will also lather well and last long. This is a very simple recipe without fillers, additives and all that. So just go to the video. It's quite easy to understand, okay? So if you want to know more about our soap making classes, you can ask, you can chat me up so that you'll be able to join us. If you have any questions pertaining this video and in any of our production, you should let me know. And if you're interested in learning how to make profitable soap making, you can also let me know. All that I'll be able to answer you. Okay? So thank you for watching. Take your time, watch this video and ask your questions. To all our old subscribers, welcome back to our channel. If you are a new subscriber, you're welcome. Thank you for stopping by. In this channel, we talk about soap making, cream making, how to take care of our bodies, how to take care of ourselves, any household product that will be useful to us. We can use it for business, we can use it for our family. It generally things that be useful to us as individuals and as a community as a whole. Okay, if you know you're interested in this kind of videos, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you always come and watch our videos whenever we post them, because once you subscribe, you'll be notified. And hey, subscription is free. Just do it, okay? Just hit that like button and hit the subscription button for us to motivate us and keep us coming back. And if there's any video you need us to make for you, you can ask. We'll make for you. And remember, as I said, we have a profit in soap making course that is just for 3 days and it's just for 3,000 naira. If you're interested, you can let me know so that I will teach you. We also have other courses we teach here online. If you're interested, you can let me know. If you have any issues or any questions on this video, you can ask and I'll always be here to answer you. Standing not far away was Joshua, who was rehearsing. When he lifted his head, his sight was met with a familiar figure. Clearly didn't know where she was standing, but she was accidentally standing on the spot Julia had been at. Joshua recalled his manager's voice. Did you do it on purpose? But what exactly did Julia do to anger you? Julia hadn't offended him. It had been someone else that she had hurt. However, why had he had the urge to avenge her at that moment? He should hate her and be delighted whenever someone bullied her. Note that this is a simple recipe, but you can customize it to suit any of your needs by adding whatever ingredient you know will give you the particular characteristic you want. For example, you can add fillers, you can add builders, you can turn it into a transparent soap, bathing soap, multi-purpose soap, laundry soap, etc. as you wish.